Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the desktop site in Edge app on iPhone. So launch any website in your Edge app and say suppose this is the website that I want to view in the desktop mode. What I can do is I can tap on this 3-bar options, and at the very bottom left corner I would be able to see this view desktop site option. Just select that. It will automatically reload and open in the desktop mode. So you can see that a web page has been loaded in the desktop mode. Sometimes it might not work as intended because there are a lot of changes and some website might not be compatible, but you would be able to see the desktop mode has a comparatively smaller font, which might be make you difficult to read. Now if you want to switch back to the original mobile site view, you can again tap on this 3-bar option and choose views mobile site, which will automatically reload into the mobile site view. So in this way you can switch to the desktop site layout in your Edge app on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.